Hey guys, and welcome back. If you notice behind me, we've got the F150 that we put the new grille on, and while that looks amazing, it's time to spend a little time in the rear, and that means new taillights. Stay tuned. So looking at the rear, you're going, why even worry about the taillights? Well, there's actually two reasons. The first is, as you can tell, these are getting condensation in there. And what that will lead to is an electrical short that we don't want. The next thing is, well, they're not that pretty. So we've got the updated grille. We want the back to resemble the same. So we are going with some LED models. Now, if you're interested in anything that we're doing, there's a link in the description with product links that will take you exactly there. Well, it's time to see what we're gonna put on, and in the famous words, what's in the box? Let's take a look. Well, they come packaged fairly decently. They've got styrofoam all around them. All of the corners are taken care of. Nice bag, lots of, ooh, we got some stuff there. There we go. So as you can tell, these are going to give it that tough look that we're looking for. Plus, it's gonna fade them in a lot better with the body because of the darkness of them. And then also you're gonna get the LED that lights up all the way around. It's gonna give it a really more modern look. Even though it's a modern truck, it's gonna make it look like it's a brand new 2020. So let's go ahead and start the install by taking the old ones out. So the first step is you've got two bolts on each side. They're 8mm, and we're gonna take those off. Set them to the side. As easy as that is, let's see how easily this pops out. Now that's popped out, there is one main harness to this, which is so much better than the old school ones where we had multiple harnesses to each individual light. Like it, yeah. Basically just push down and then pull. Nothing too crazy there. Tail light off. I don't want to jinx us, but this might be the easiest project we've done. And now we're going to reverse the process for the other side. So here's a quick and dirty side-by-side. You can see on the original factory ones, they have the one plug. On the aftermarket ones that we're going to, because they're LED, they've got all the resistors and transistors and stuff that I don't really know. It's probably got a GPU in there somewhere. But these are gonna have to be attached to the body, and then this is the main plug. Now, if you ever go to take it off, because these are attached to the body, they do come with quick disconnects. So let's figure out where we're gonna put these, clean the inside of the body with some alcohol, and then we can install them. One note on installation are these things. So these are little fillers that kind of take up the space so you get no play. Now on most of them, they just pop right off and stay in the body, but if they don't, like this one, we have to pull it off, and then over here you can see that we already put this one back in, but it was missing. And when it's missing, you'll get a lot of play. So make sure that you have removed all of these from your old hardware and put it onto the new. All right, so when we're taking a look here, here's where the original factory harness comes out of, and it kind of tucks in here. At first we thought maybe we'd put the resistors over here or maybe here, but that's interference with the actual light itself. So what we've decided to do is clean in here with some alcohol, and then we're going to apply them right here where they'll be out of the way and not touched. Is there a magic number?
I try to do it for about 10 seconds sometimes.
I love 3M tape though, I will tell you. And then once it heats up in the sun, you're never getting them off.
Oh, heck no. Take my nails down too far.
Now try not to twist your wires up too much. Yeah. There you go. Try to keep everything.
Good.
Perfect. Now we can plug up the, the main wiring harness. Yep, keep that out of there.
So you can kind of see.
I feel that's good.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, they fit really nice.
Yeah.
Now we can just install the two 8mm bolts, and this project's a wrap. We do have to do the other side, so I shouldn't get too ahead of myself. So after all the work, you want to see the reward, and here it is. All right, so you've got your standard LED running light that works when it's on during the day and at night, so everyone will be able to see you. You've got your brake lights that work just like that. You've got flashers, obviously, if you need to go left or right, and then the reverse light as well. Doesn't get much easier or better than this. Okay guys, it doesn't get much better than this. We've updated the front look of this F-150. Now the rear looks just as good. This is a super easy install. Remember, all links are in the description, so please check that out. Remember to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.